Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay Key Lime Rum. It is 42 proof and it's a product out of Kentucky. Ounce and a half of your Parrot Bay Key Lime Rum. And I'm going to top it off with this Fanta Chucky's Punch. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Donald Howe. Donald passed away on January 29, 2026 at the age of 81. He served the Marine Corps and he called Missouri home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. I'm going to give that a 10 out of 10. I think the combination works really well. The fruit punch, the little touch of lime in it, and near the end, finishes it off nicely. And this is way better than the Gasparilla Key Lime Pie rum that I had a few days ago. Night and day difference. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. Donald, may you rest in peace. Delicious. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.